Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on, and good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here's your quote for today. Be the person your dog thinks you are. Now, if you happen to have a man or woman's best friend, that bouncing, wagging-tailed dog of yours probably thinks you are the most amazing person on this planet. And just why shouldn't they? While you go out to work, socialise and whatever it is that you do, to that dog of yours, you are their world, and all they want to do is spend every minute of every single day with you. Imagine everyone thinking about you in the exact same way. Every day is a possibility, so make the most of it starting from now.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.